I just caught this bass, and now I don't know what I got on the line. I think it's a catfish, but man, I'm glad I moved. Up there is way too rough. Can't fish it. But I wonder what this is. Could be nice. Could be nice. I'm pretty sure it's a catfish. It's fighting like one. Hold on. Oh. Let's see what this baby is. I'm pretty sure it's a catfish. Seeing the line going away. Yeah. I wonder what it is. Oh, he's pulling. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a catfish. Yup, it was a catfish. Nice one. Nice little catfish. I don't know, these are probably about, I don't know, I give it probably about 20, 21, maybe 17, something like that. Somewhere around 20, 17. Caught him on a worm. Yeah, he's a nice catfish. Another little catfish on the worm. He broke my whole rig off. I gotta rig up again. I tried to pull him up from down here. Yeah, it didn't turn out too well. Another catfish on. I'm pretty sure it's a catfish. Yeah, come on. Yeah, another catfish on. It's a cat. He's only got one eye. Holy crap. But he still took the bait. Still took that worm. Yeah. Well, I'll throw him back. I'm not keeping today anyway, so. Yeah, but he's only got one eye. Huh. I just set up my other pole, got another one on. Oh yeah. Get him in. Yeah, get him in. Yeah. It's a better view. Yeah, got him on there. Get him off. Alright, well, I'll unpause it when I get back on here. Alright. Got him back. Another cat, probably about 17, something like that. Got him on my other rod. I hooked my other rod up for some catfish. Nice. Let him go real quick. Alright, get back to fishing. Hey, Dookie Doo. What's up, Pooch? Oh boy. That's my bud. Look at you. Oh, that's my boy. I'm just waiting for another bite. Well, I'll play when I get another bite. I see something going across the river over there. See that? See that little line? Oh, I wonder what that is. Probably a beaver or something. Well, see ya. Got another one. Oh, it's getting pretty nasty. Yeah. It's getting pretty nasty though. Yeah, I don't want to get caught in that. It's getting pretty nasty. I want to reel this one in. I'll be back. Oh, catfish. Another nice cat. Another nice cat. Nothing too big. Probably about 17. Something like that. Well, get him back in the water. Let me get the hook out real quick. Oh, nice cat. I'll let him go. Get back to you, and I got another fish. Got another little guy on. I know he's little. Oh, he wasn't fighting like that. Just a little one. He's barely tapping at the hook. I didn't even know if he was on there or not. Let him go. We'll see when we get him up. Other people call him drum. I call him sheephead. I think they're pretty ugly. Yeah, nice fish. Oh, gonna bite on this one. Oh, oh, I got him. I got him. Holy crap. Double header. I'll let you know when I get him. End the day with this. The other one is a little catfish. Nothing too great. He's a little one. He's a little one. Nothing too big. Well, get the release. Get the release on these guys. This drum. Nice one. Hooked them inside a little. Pretty ugly. They're bottom feeders, so I don't keep them like that. Ouch. Get this little cat in. It's my time to go. Yep. And I'm heading out. It's getting nasty. See that weight down there? That's pretty bad weather. I don't want to get caught in it. Oh, I'm out.